the whales of the English language, more than just sea giants. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are diving deep into the English language to uncover the meaning of the word whale. And no, we're not just talking about those majestic creatures of the sea. We're also talking about how this word has made a splash in everyday phrases. Let's dive right in. Whale primarily refers to the large marine mammals that are known for their size and magnificent presence in the oceans. They belong to the cetacean family, which also includes dolphins and porpoises. When someone says, whale, the first image that probably pops into your mind is that of these incredible sea creatures swimming and breaching in the ocean. English, like many languages, is full of colorful expressions and idioms. The word whale has found its way into a few of them. Here are some examples. 1. Having a whale of a time. This means to have an exceptionally fun or exciting experience. If someone says they had a whale of a time at a party, it means they really enjoyed themselves. 2. Whale away. This phrase means to attack or hit repeatedly. For example, he wailed away at the boxing bag for hours. 3. A big fish, or whale, in a small pond. This describes someone who is important or influential within a small group or community but might not have the same stature in a larger context. In the world of finance and internet slang, a whale can also refer to a person or an entity that holds a large amount of a particular asset, especially cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. They have the potential to influence market movements due to the sheer size of their holdings. So, when someone refers to a crypto whale, they're talking about someone with a significant amount of cryptocurrency. From the vast oceans to the realm of idioms and even the digital world of cryptocurrencies, the word whale has certainly made its mark in the English language. We hope this deep dive has helped you understand its various nuances. Until next time, keep exploring and have a whale of a time with your English language journey.